Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2025 and AI is absolutely exploding, like, seriously blowing up. We've been talking about AI for a minute now, but 2025 is different. This year we're not just seeing incremental improvements, we're talking about straight-up, next-level breakthroughs that are gonna change how we live, work, and even think. From AI that can literally read your mind to AI that's writing and directing movies, the future is officially here. So buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the most shocking AI innovations of 2025. Okay, so you know how we've always talked about brain-computer interfaces like there's some futuristic tech straight out of a sci-fi movie? Yeah, well, the future is now. Researchers have actually cracked the code and developed AI that can tap into your brain waves and decipher what you're thinking. We're talking full-on mind-reading capabilities here. This is a game-changer, especially for people with disabilities who have difficulty communicating. Imagine being able to control your phone or your computer just by thinking about it. No more typing, no more voice commands, just pure thought. And the crazy thing is, this tech is only getting started. We're already seeing prototypes that can translate brain signals into text with incredible accuracy, and some companies are even working on devices that can let you control prosthetics with your mind. Alright, so we all know AI is great at crunching numbers and analyzing data, but writing and directing movies, that's a whole other level of creativity that I honestly didn't see coming this soon. But guess what? AI is officially coming for Hollywood. This year, we saw the release of the first ever AI-written and AI-directed movie. Think about that for a second. No human screenwriters, no directors, no human crew on set, just pure AI taking the reins. Now I know what you're thinking. Can AI really replicate the nuances of human emotion and storytelling? Well, that's the crazy part. The movie that was released was actually pretty good, like surprisingly good. The AI was able to analyze tons of existing movies, learn from the best directors and screenwriters, and then use that knowledge to create something totally original. Let's talk about the future of manufacturing, because AI is about to flip the script on how we make, well, everything. We're talking about fully autonomous factories, powered entirely by AI, running 24/7 without a single human worker in sight. These AI-powered factories are next-level efficient. They can crank out products non-stop, optimize production lines on the fly, and even self-repair if something goes wrong. And because you don't have to pay AI workers a salary, the cost savings are insane. But this also brings up some serious questions about the future of work. If AI can do everything a human worker can do, but better and cheaper, what does that mean for the millions of people employed in manufacturing? Chapter 4, AI Lawyers and Virtual Judges. Okay, this one is straight out of a Black Mirror episode, but it's actually happening. AI is now making its way into the courtroom and it's already shaking things up. We're talking about AI lawyers that can analyze thousands of legal documents in seconds, provide instant legal advice, and even predict the outcome of a case with scary accuracy. And if that's not enough, some courts are even experimenting with AI-powered judges. These virtual judges can weigh evidence, analyze case law, and even issue rulings, all without any human bias, supposedly. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this really a good idea? Can AI really be trusted to make life-altering legal decisions? It's a valid concern, and it's something that ethicists and legal experts are grappling with right now. Chapter 5, AI that can predict the future. Alright, so remember how we talked about AI being able to read your mind? Well, get this. AI is now tapping into the future. I'm not kidding. Researchers have developed AI models that can analyze massive data sets and identify patterns that humans could never even dream of spotting. We're talking about predicting things like stock market crashes, disease outbreaks, even natural disasters, all with a level of accuracy that's borderline spooky. Imagine knowing about a potential pandemic before it even happens, or getting a heads up about an earthquake days before it strikes. This kind of predictive power could literally save millions of lives. Chapter 6, AI-Generated Humans, The Rise of Digital People. This last one is a bit more mind-bending, even for me. We're talking about AI-generated humans or digital people that are so realistic, it's getting harder and harder to tell them apart from actual humans. These AI avatars can look like you, talk like you, and even act like you. They're being used as virtual influencers on social media, AI-powered customer service agents, and even digital news anchors. And the crazy thing is, most people can't even tell the difference. So think about that for a second. The next time you're scrolling through your social media feed, or chatting with a customer service rep online, there's a good chance you could be interacting with an AI, and you might not even know it. So, there you have it, the most mind-blowing AI innovations of 2025. From mind-reading devices to fully autonomous factories, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's our reality. And honestly, it's both exciting and a little bit terrifying at the same time. What do you guys think about all this? Are these AI breakthroughs something to be celebrated, or should we be worried about the implications? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by AI and the future of tech as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the mind-blowing content coming your way. AI is changing the world faster than ever. From brain-reading devices to fully autonomous factories, the future is already here. What do you think? Are these innovations exciting or scary? Comment below. And if you love AI and future tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing updates.